Hi. Today, I'm coloring Mulan from Disney, and I can't wait to tell you why she inspires me so much. Mulan isn't just one of my favorite Disney characters, she's also one of the bravest, smartest, and kindest heroes I've ever seen. Her story teaches me that even if you feel like you don't fit in, you can still be amazing in your own way. Mulan's story begins with her trying to do what everyone expects of her, like learning how to act like a perfect daughter and impressing the matchmaker. But you can tell right away that Mulan has a strong, adventurous spirit. I think that's what makes her so relatable. She doesn't feel like she's good enough when she's following other people's rules. But instead of giving up, she finds her own way to prove how strong and capable she really is. One of the most inspiring moments in her story is when she decides to take her father's place in the army. Her dad is older and not strong enough to fight, but Mulan loves him so much that she's willing to risk everything to protect him. She cuts her hair, puts on his armor, and rides off to join the soldiers, even though she knows it's dangerous and that she could get in big trouble. That takes so much courage. It reminds me that sometimes, being brave means doing what's right, even when it's really hard. When Mulan joins the army, things aren't easy at first. She has to train really hard to keep up with the other soldiers. There's a part in the song, "I'll Make a Man Out of You," where she's climbing a tall pole to get the arrow at the top. Everyone thinks she can't do it, but Mulan doesn't give up. She figures out how to use her strength and smarts to succeed. Watching her overcome challenges like that always makes me feel like I can do hard things too, even if they seem impossible at first. My favorite part of Mulan's story is when she uses her quick thinking to save the day. When the Huns attack, Mulan doesn't just fight like everyone else. She comes up with a plan to cause an avalanche and defeat the enemy. She shows that being clever is just as important as being strong. And later, when she faces the villain Shan Yu in the Emperor's palace, she proves again that she's a true hero. Even though no one believed in her at first, Mulan ends up saving all of China. How cool is that? Mulan inspires me because she's not afraid to be herself. She shows that you don't have to follow anyone else's path to be amazing, you can create your own. I love how she proves that bravery and kindness come from the heart, not from how you look or what people expect of you. She reminds me to keep trying, even when things are tough, and to believe in myself, no matter what. Thanks for listening to why Mulan is one of my heroes. I hope her story inspires you as much as it inspires me. Remember, just like Mulan, you can be strong and brave in your own unique way.